I'm Bud Ferguson, the inventor of the Zephyr. The Zephyr is a panel that will remove up to 9,000 cubic feet of air a minute. It's completely transportable. You can go from the truck to the job site in a matter of minutes. 2 high-volume fans creating negative air pressure inside the house. No dust, no odors, no fumes go into the heat and air system. Nothing settles in on any of the cabinetry. It's allowed us to get in and efficiently remove dust, odors, and fumes, all but eliminating our cleanup, cutting our cleanup time from what used to take an hour down to just a matter of minutes.
Before using the Zephyr, I was paying a cleaning crew, for every job that I was doing. And now I don't have to pay any cleaning crew. Now, honestly, you don't have to clean much with this thing. You don't have to. So Zephyr it is saving me money.
For us, the single best thing about the product is less dust going in our finish. And as soon as you see it work and get it in a working environment, you're sold on it. It does its job.
For any contractor that's doing demo on a house, you're doing drywall, you're doing a lot of sanding of any sort, particularly in my industry, you're doing flooring, those are great candidates for a product like this where you can keep the environment clean and allows us to have a great finished product for our customer.
Any industry that needs to remove dust, odors, and fume from the environment, the Zephyr or one of the other sister panels is for you.